Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about how to log into your Equity Bank online. Now before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, now let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is you go to your browser and then on the search bar or where you put the URL address, you type in www.equitybank.com. Once you click enter, you will get to a page like this, the Equity Bank home page, and in the top right corner you will find a login button. You click that and you can see personal banking or business banking. So I'm going to choose personal banking as an example. So you click login under personal banking and then you will be taken to a page like this where you get to add your details. So you add your specific login ID and then you add your password and then you basically click login. So if you forgot your password, you can go to forgot your password and you can retrieve it from there. Or if you want to always be logged into your account, you tick remember me and then you can click login and you will always be in your account. So that's pretty much it. I hope this helped you guys. Thank you for watching.